Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Naya Nzeka. So today I'm bringing to you my DIY lip scrub. I said I was going to be making this in my last video and some of you guys has already requested for this, and so here it is. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe if you haven't, and let's just jump right into the video. So the key ingredients for this is sugar. That is what is going to help exfoliate the lips. So I added some sugar into the container. You can also make use of a bowl for this mixture, it doesn't matter. Next, I added coconut oil, which is totally optional. You can also make use of olive oil. I think I added half a tablespoon of coconut oil, and next I went in with my vanilla extract for just this is optional. I just added it for a little bit of flavor. I also added just a little bit of food coloring, just to give it, you know, a really bright color. I made use of red food coloring, and then I stir, and this is what this is the result. So onto the next scrub, I added sugar, honey, just a little bit, and I also, for this one, I decided to use castor oil. Like I said, you can make use of any oil of your choice. And I also added the vanilla extract for some flavor. So I just had to mix all the ingredients together, and this is the final result. So to be storing this, I made use of these 2 little containers I found at the store. You can make use of any container of your choice depending on the quantity you make. So I just had to make use of this to store them. This can last up to like a week. So this is the final result. I love the pop of color, and one thing about lip scrub is that you can never go wrong. There is no exact measurement. You just want to mix all the ingredients together, and you want it to be grainy and not too wet, not too watery. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to leave your comments on the comment section below. Let's interact. If you're watching my video for the first time, please don't forget to subscribe. Click on that notification bell so you'll be notified each time I post a new video. And one more thing, guys, let's not forget to protect ourselves, take the necessary precautions, just be safe, eat healthy. I guess that is it for now. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.